Hello students, in this video I'll be covering the questions that come from this topic which are out of NCERT. Mainly I'll be covering the questions which has already been asked in the examination. The first question is, a group of plants or animals with similar traits of any rank is A. Species, B. Genus, C. Order or D. Taxon. So the answer will be D. Taxon. Question number 2. In fish Catla Catla, the specific name is similar to the generic name. It is example of A. Autonym, B. Tautonym, C. Species or D. Phylum. In this question, the terms species and phylum are known to you, but autonym and tautonym are new. So, the answer is B. Tautonym. And what is autonym? In autonym, the specific epithet of the scientific name is repeated. Comment down the example of autonym. Question number 3. Metabolism is A. Release of energy, B. Gain of energy, C. Release or gain of energy or D. Catabolism of reaction. Sorry for the mistake. The spelling of metabolism is incorrect. The answer is C. Release or gain of energy. In metabolism, we consider both catabolism and anabolism. So the answer will be C. Question number 4. Thanatology is the science which deals with A. Death in all its aspects, B. Solving paternity of child, C. Identification of living or D. Detection of lie. So, the answer is A. Death in all its aspects. Next question. Pesticide used in the preparation of herbarium sheet is. These type of question is very important. The whole topic herbarium is very important. So please be very thorough with it. The answer is C. Mercuric chloride. Question number 6. Identify from the following the only category that has a real existence. A. Phylum, B. Kingdom, C. Species or D. Genus. The answer is C. Species. Question number 7. The term phylum was given by A. Cuvier, B. Theophrastus, C. Haeckel or D. Linnaeus. You have to learn these type of questions by heart, because if you don't know it, you have to leave that question and your 4 marks will be deducted already. So the answer is C. The term phylum was given by Haeckel. Question number 8. Species living in different geographical areas are A. Sibling species, B. Morpho species, C. Sympatric species or D. Allopatric species. The answer is D. Allopatric species. These are the species living in different geographical areas. So, guess what will be sympatric species? Sympatric species are the species living in the same geographical areas. Question number 9. The term species was given by A. John Ray, B. Linnaeus, C. Darwin or D. Aristotle. The answer is A. John Ray gave the term species. Next question. Which of the following has the least similar character? Least similar character means most dissimilar characters. A family, B genus, C species, or D class? If you know the ascending order, then you will be able to answer. The answer is D, class. Species has the most common characters, and as we go up in the hierarchy, the common characters becomes lesser. Moving on to the next question. Animals are classified into hierarchical groups. Which of the following has the largest number of species found? A cohort, B order, C family, or D genus? The answer is A, cohort. Please find out where cohort comes in the hierarchy. It is not present in NCERT, but it is a part of the hierarchical classification. I will be telling you in the comment section after one day, but till then, please try to find it on your own and comment. This way you will be able to memorize it well. Question number 12. The international size of herbarium sheet is? This is a very important question, and the answer is A, 42 into 29. 29 is the width and 42 is the length. Question number 13. The concentration of mercuric chloride required is? A 0.1%, B 0.2%, C 1%, or D 2%. This is also the kind of question which you will be leaving if you don't know the answer. So you have to learn it. The answer is D, 2%. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.